Hello student, today I am going to derive kinematics equations or relation for uniformly accelerated motion using graphical method. In the previous video, already I have discussed how to write a slope of VT graph. Slope of VT graph represents acceleration. Here you see the diagram. This is VT graph. Let us calculate first. Number one, velocity time relation b equal to u plus at. Now you see the diagram. U be the velocity, u be the initial velocity of the particle at time t equal to 0, and v be the final velocity of the particle after time t. Let A and B be the 2 points on the VT graph corresponding to time t equal to 0 and t equal to t respectively. So slope of VT graph equal to acceleration. So what does represent slope of VT graph? Slope of VT graph represents acceleration. So acceleration equal to slope of VT graph, which is equal to A equal to tan theta, tan BC by AC BC is V minus U and AC is T. V minus U by T. So V minus U equal to AT, corresponding relation. So V equal to U plus AT. So this is one relation. The relation is called velocity time relation. Velocity time relation is V equal to U plus AT. We have derived by using graphical method. Now number 2, there are three relations. So one is completed. Now number 2 will start now. Position time relation. To derive position time relation, we have to take area under VT graph. Already I have discussed in the previous video, area under VT graph represents displacement. So if you take OA, B, D, this area of this one, if you take that will be equal to displacement. So we know that distance traveled by a particle in the given time interval is equal to area under velocity time graph. Let S be the distance traveled by the particle in time t, then distance traveled equal to area of OABD. You see the diagram? Area of OABD. Which is in the shape of trapezium. Area of trapezium OABD. area of trapezium is like that, half into sum of the two parallel sides. You see the diagram, half into sum of these two parallel sides into distance between two parallel sides. So half parallel side is one is OA plus BD, and distance between two parallel sides is AC. You see, parallel side is OA and BD. Half into sum of these two parallel sides OA, half into OA plus BD into distance between two parallel side AC. Here OA is U, initial velocity, BD final velocity. Now we are putting the value of OA is U, BD is V, and AC is equal to T. You see the diagram, OA U, BD V, and AC T is T. Since V equal to U plus AT, so we can write instead of V, U plus AT into T. We are replacing V, we are putting U plus AT. Half U plus U, 2U plus AT. Now multiplied, half into 2U, U plus half UT, half cancelled, U into T, UT plus half AT square. So distance travel, as we are taking S plus sign, S equal to, so S equal to half 2U plus AT into T, so S equal to 2 and half cancel, U and T, UT plus again half into AT into T, half AT square. So S equal to UT plus half AT square. This is the second relation. Now third relation, velocity, position relation, that is B square equal to U square plus 2AS. Same way, let S be the distance traveled by the body in time T, then displacement, again same here, area under VT graph represents displacement. So displacement equal to area under VT graph, that is equal to area of trapezium OA BT. Already I have discussed area, how to write sum of these two parallel sides into distance between two parallel sides, that is the area of trapezium. So here OA equal to U, initial velocity, BD B, AC equal to T, time. Putting the value OA U plus BD V into T. Here we are replacing, since we know B equal to U plus AT, then AT equal to V minus U and T equal to V minus U by A. Here we are replacing T. Half U plus V, T is V minus U by A. So S equal to 2a u plus v minus u. S equal to, we can write v plus u plus v, we can write u plus v, we can write v plus u, v minus u, 2a, which is equal to, you know, a plus b whole into a minus b, a square minus b square. So b square minus u square by 2a. So 2a s, 2a into s, 2as, b square minus u square. So b square equal to u square plus 2as. Two as equal to b square minus u square. So b square equal to, we can write transfer left side, it become minus, so becomes plus. So b square u square plus 2as. So this is the third relation. Thank you.